Hello guys, how's it going? Welcome to my channel, and I want to first thank you for clicking on the thumbnail, and you are not going to get disappointed from this video because today with you, to be very straightforward, I'm going to share two secrets about increasing your CPM that you have never seen in any other channel. And it's not going to be like what usually YouTubers do. They say you depends on the niche and blah blah blah, like things in general, but I'm going to give you two practical ideas or two practical things that are easily reproducible that you can do to your channel, and you're going to really feel that it's something that will work because it has worked for me. So for those of you that have come to my channel and for those of you that are new to the channel, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and follow me on my videos. So as you can see guys, I haven't been posting lately, so you can see the latest video has been more than a month ago and the video before that more than 2 months ago. Now the reason why I decided to make this video is because I have discovered in a way a very interesting secret and a very useful trick that I will share today with you about increasing your CPM. So as you can see, I've made this video over here that has earned me a very good amount of views, comments and likes recently. So this is the video that pretty much is the most viral video, if I can put it like this, on my channel. If we actually go on the analytics of my channel, you're going to see that this is the video that is making, let's say, a very good deal of views, and I would consider like a very good deal of subscribers as well. As you can see, this video is the only one that keeps getting subscribers or bringing subscribers to my channel. Furthermore, as you can see from here, it's having like, let's say, 50 views every day. The majority of the views are coming from the YouTube search. Now, without wasting any time guys, let me explain you why you are here today. I know that I'm a very small channel, as I mentioned, but the tricks that I will share with you right now are the most important tricks that you are going to hear most commonly about the increasing the YouTube CPM. The reason why I'm doing this one more time is because I'm seeing a lot of you guys that you're commenting on my channel saying, hey Clay, how can I increase my CPM? Many of you are asking me to to reply in their private chat. Some of them I've given my personal Instagram account and I've written with them and giving them some ideas, but I don't have a Discord, so sorry, Zakatech. Tech, I'm sorry for that. So yeah, without wasting any time, let me move on directly to the very first trick. So as you can see guys in here, what I've done is I've pulled up some videos that have to do with the Fortnite. Now, the first thing that I want to understand before I actually reveal the trick is that mainly the CPM depends on the niche, but I know that you might have heard this several times from other YouTubers as well, and by that I do not mean that there is no way for you to improve your CPM, and I will share it with you right now. So we have got these videos over here, and if you have a gaming channel, let's say, of course you can improve the CPM, but do not expect a very high CPM. Well, the reason for that is because, someone might play the game, might watch the video for the game, and they do not intend to make any purchase or anything apart from the Fortnite thing, let's say. The only thing, the best thing in the best scenario that they can purchase is just the game. Well, take a look at these guys. So we've got these videos that have to do with the Amazon, Shopify or branded things. And in most of these videos, there are courses that are shown alongside the video. And you know that the price of a course in Amazon, for example, might go up to $2,000, which means everybody would be absolutely fine with paying you $2 or $3 for one single click. And by that I mean one single view, and someone that watches the skippable ads or the display ads and clicks on that can get $2 to $3 only from one click. And that is absolutely possible because I've experienced that myself. Now, the very first trick that I wanted to share today with you guys is this. In order for us to make use of these tricks, I know that most of you create videos that are longer than 10 minutes, and actually we need this for this trick. What we will do is this. We're going to take a look at this specific video that is just 2 seconds more than 10 minutes. So what we will do is we're going to go to the details of the video, and I'm going to show you one very important thing in there. Now let me click like view on YouTube, and let me actually go to the monetization. Be very careful because now you're going to see one of the most important thing, and I will explain twice this trick for you in order for you to understand. So as you can see, we've got my video in here. Let me pause it for a moment. Now, I think that most of you have seen YouTubers pinning their first comment in here, and they are putting some timestamps. Now, you might think that the YouTubers are very, useful and they are trying to help, but there is a trick that I use. There's a trick behind it, basically. Let me explain you what the trick is. So if you see in here, I have put, for example, the minutes. So if you click on 0.40, it will go in here. You see, there is an ad popping in here. Let me explain you why. Okay, such an ugly face in here. Let me stop it. It's better now. Yeah, so if we click on this, it pops an ad that I removed. The reason for that is very, very simple. What I've done, let me go a little bit lower. You know that for videos that are longer than 10 minutes, you have the possibility to manage the mid-roll ads. Basically, you have the possibility to select where you will put the ads. Take a look at these guys. So you see 0.47, which means if somebody clicks on this, after 7 seconds, they are most commonly going to see an ad. Not most commonly, but if YouTube shows an ad, 100% it will be there. The next thing for the other one. So if you see 2.23 and in here you see 2.25, which means 2 seconds after somebody clicks on this, they will see an ad. You see, ad in 5, you know, this is the best example, the perfect example. I couldn't calculate this better myself. Take a look at this, ad in 5, 4, 3. I think that you get it now. Let me explain you one more time for those of you that did not got the trick. So what I do is I put some comments in here, and people are most likely, the majority of the people, let me admit honestly, actually do click on these things, on the timestamps, because they say, okay, I know what I want to check is how to set up campaign the same way I do it. For example, for you to set up the campaign yourself. Or first trick, somebody will click on this for the 4th minute and 13 seconds. Let's take a look at it. So 4 minutes and 13 seconds exactly. So once somebody clicks on here, exactly they are going to see ad in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then pop the ad. So this is one of the very, very first tricks. I know that now you're thinking that how you couldn't think of this before, but I would really appreciate if you drop a like in this moment if you think that this is a very, very useful trick. I'm fully confident that it is, because it has made me some extra grand just because of this. And it's not that any YouTuber shared this with me, but I'm sharing this with you for free, guys, and I would really appreciate some support in here. Now I don't want to play the trick, the ad, sorry, because you know it's not it's against the YouTube policies. So I will just get rid of this video in here. Now let me show you the second thing, because I promised that I will share another thing with you. Another thing that is very, very important when it comes to the videos is the script. Now I know that it might be very difficult for you to create a script for your videos, but do never go with the first thought that comes into your mind. So what is the best thing to do is you need to create a very, very detailed script before you do the video. The reason for that is because, let me show you this thing one more time. So I will open the video one more time in YouTube. Just one moment. Now what I will do is I will actually let the video play. Now, do you see these little things in here, like words, the words in here? So, as you can see, there are the words that I have mentioned in this very video in here, and it's not that I've written down these words in fact. What the YouTube does is that they do automatically generate a script for each video. This is, in case you didn't know, this is the crucial thing that determines what ads will be shown on your video. Whether there will be ads, let's say, that will have to do with gaming, because if YouTube sees that your video has no words or nothing that have to do with Amazon, with Shopify, with insurance, with brokers, with cryptocurrency or anything, it's like 2 or 3% likely that they will show an ad that has to do with it. Usually the ads that have the highest percentage of income into your video, because YouTube knows that somebody is watching the video just for fun, just to watch a game or something, and they are not likely to invest into that. While when YouTube see that you are talking for something that has to do with investing and people are actually viewing your video, they are going to show an ad that has to do with investing. It's very, very simple as that. So in order for you to find the proper words for your video, what you do is you go here. So what I will do today, we've got the word stream first of all in here, and let me share that which might be some of the very words in a way that have like the highest CPM, which is cost per mile, or in other words, which are words or keywords that pay the most. We've got the list in here. So we've got the insurance, which can pay up to 54.91 per one click. I know it might sound absolutely unbelievable, and the majority of people at the first stages do not make this much even in a month. I I speak from my personal experience. My first month was only $12, first month on YouTube. So we've got loans, mortgage, attorney, credit or debit cards, for example, lawyers, donate, and then we've got some other things like transfer, revenue, Shopify, Amazon, this kind of stuff. You know that the things can go very high. What I would share is this other stuff, so you can check the words that you want to use in your videos and incorporate them into the script. This is the second thing, guys. So ads.google.com and then keyword planner. What you can do is just type this ads.google.com and keyword planner on Google directly. And then what you do is you click here. Let me give you the very example that I gave you first. If we actually search for something like, give me an idea, let's say Amazon. Okay, let me search for Amazon. And I will click in here and get results. Let's see what Amazon will bring forth. Let me go actually a little bit lower. Okay, so you can see that with Amazon, there can be some things that can place you, for example, like Amazon sale or other stuff that can go a little bit higher, like Amazon web, what is this? Amazon web services that can go up to $1 per single click, or something, for example, like, let me click Shopify. I know that Shopify is one of the most paid things or keywords, actually. Even though it might be very difficult for you to reach these keywords, take a look at this, how interesting it might be. So you see, Shopify can pay you, for example, up to 11 or 36, which is absolutely crazy, $36 if you use this tag, like Oberlo extension. If you mention in your video several times, for example, Oberlo extension, how to install extension, this kind of stuff, you will see that ads might show regarding this, and you might make $36 from one single click. So pretty much, guys, these were the things. I want to keep this video as short as possible. So first is the thing with, you know, the let's say the comment in here, and then putting the ad break right after you put the comment on the and pin it to the top. And the second thing is the keyword planner, through which you're going to be able to generate the right script, in here for your video. So I would really appreciate if you leave a like to my channel, guys, and subscribe to my channel. Till the next video, which I assume is going to be very soon, let's say, I want to wish you all the best. Take care.